Personal care by Vitality Home Health. Personal care is about you or your loved one's more personal requirements. Our qualified medical experts can help you without sacrificing your privacy or dignity. Bathing, toileting, and dressing are examples of hands-on care. Personal care includes anything from bathing to grooming and dressing. Benefits of having a personal care assistant. Ability to keep your dignity by staying at home, avoid scary hospital trips, have a trained professional assist you when things like bathing or dressing become challenging. Use home health care as a prevention strategy. Take advantage of life's most valuable moments by enjoying your life. Your personal caregiver will provide support to you and your family, so you can both feel confident. Personal Care Aide Assistant Services in Virginia helps in taking care of yourself can improve your quality of life. All of our personalized care services are provided by our compassionate, qualified caregivers. Their help may assist you in living at home comfortably while maintaining your independence. For more updates, visit our website or follow us on our social media channels.